Mr. Tingle Mango here, and today I have a very special video for you guys. Today we have an unboxing of the new Mobapad Chitu 2 the Mobapad Chitu 2 Pro controller, mechanical controller. As you can see, I got the pink one here because I didn't want to be a basic bitch and get the black and white one. So I got this beautiful color in pink, and I'm so excited to try it out with you guys. I really want to see what's inside the box. But before we do that, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I might be doing more unboxings soon. So let's just check the sides real quick. Do we have anything on the sides? Nope. Do we have something for the back? Yes, we do. As you can see here, we do have NFC, which is on top of the controller. It also has 6-axis motion controls for your gyroscopes. We have a setting button. We have a custom button. We have mechanical buttons. We don't get a lot of those for controllers. We do have a mode switch. So I believe that is like for turbo. Sorry, my fucking brain just went like empty for a second. We have GR and GL buttons, so you could do those little extra tactics play in the back, you know, of the controller. And we do have a charging contact pin for the station that it does get sold separately with. By the way, I want to thank Mobapad for sending me one of these for trial testing. I am very excited to try out what's inside this box. As you can see, I'm fucking shaking. So without further ado, I think we should start opening it up. I have my beautiful trusty knife with me. I'm so excited because it looks fucking cool. It looks like it's straight out of fucking CSGO. This is the first time, as you can tell, that I'm doing this. It's actually very exciting. I can see why a lot of people do this shit. Oh shit, did I do it right? Let's see. As you can see, guys, we are starting to open the box. Even though I got sent this box, I am going to give my full-on trustworthy, honest review on this controller. I am not going to be a meat rider, I promise. I'm going to continue. This box will slide off as so. Fuck, hurry up. Well, that is a big box. Wait, what the fuck? And there we go. We finally have the controller out. And I'm so excited to see this. I'm actually shaking. What the fuck? So we have the controller here, and holy shit, we have the controller. We do have I believe a Type C cable, obviously because we are in the Type C age. Of course, you have this fucking paper, but who gives a fucking shit about that, right? Am I right, guys? Am I right? But we have the main attraction, the fucking controller. Holy fucking shit. There you go, guys. That is the... I'm sorry, should I take this out of the fucking screen? I should probably take it out of the screen, right? For some reason, it looks white on my end for some reason. But, holy shit. Wait, something I really have to mention is that it fits good as fuck in my arms. Not my arms, but my hands. I have medium hands, so, like, it fits really good. It's compact. It's, it feels really good. That's all I gotta say, to be honest. I haven't felt any of the buttons yet, but as you can see, we do have this. Is this the 6-axis? I don't know. Wait, I'm confused now. This D-pad is for fighting games, I believe. It feels nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It feels good. Joysticks feel super smooth. That's due to the non-friction Hall effect joysticks. It should be easy to not get any drift on these controllers. We do have the mechanical buttons, which, oh my days, I might say, it feels really fucking good. We have the trigger buttons, a little clicky, but it feels good. And the back buttons, oh, that feels good. I am not gonna lie, that feels good too. We have the back buttons, and we do have the mode switch on the back. I believe that says Bluetooth, Nintendo Switch, and for PC. So a very versatile controller, if you ask me. This should be really handy in those gaming moments that you want to like kind of switch between different kind of platforms. I think I'm going to do a sound review for you guys on this controller and get a little sense of what the controller sounds like. So let's start with the buttons. as well. Inside the little shit bag, we do have your charger, right? But not just that, we also do have a D-pad replacement for the ones that is already on right now. This is more like if you have a preference for this kind of D-pad than the other one. The D-pad is clicky, so it isn't gonna be mushy like the ones like the Game Boy. So that is something to keep in mind. I have not used it for any gameplay yet, and I know as a reviewer I should be probably test playing it. But I'm really lazy to do that because this is my first time doing a fucking ASMR unboxing. But in conclusion, I am very pleased with this controller. It feels amazing in the hands. It is pretty quiet. I don't think you would be waking up your mommy from the other room if you were using this controller, that's for sure. And it is chargeable, so you do not need any batteries. Xbox. In other words, guys, I am very pleased. I would say this controller is recommended. This Mobapad company is very trustworthy. I do have another product from them that I'm very pleased with. The Joy-Cons. I had them for about 2 years without a drift. With the price that this comes along with, it might end up being about $79.99. It is a reliable controller with the Hall effect, so it's definitely a better alternative than the Pro controller that you get from Nintendo's from themselves. Other than that, guys, I am very pleased. I can't wait to do more unboxing soon because this controller was absolutely beautiful, and I definitely recommend it to anybody who has a Nintendo Switch 1 and 2 and or plays on the Windows. I don't believe this is for Mac, but still, I believe this is a great controller. It is very versatile. It feels really good, and it has a lot of features, just like the main party controllers. That's all I got to say about this unboxing. If you guys enjoyed, please like the video and give me a little comment if I should keep doing this. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye. Unstoppable.